Hello guys, okay, this is a tutorial on lighting. Let's create a new game, blank, next, name it tutorial lights, and its width, let's make it 800 by 500. I prefer 800 by 500 for some weird reason I have no explanation for. Let's create a new scene, and let's make it large enough so that there's a little room to move around. Let's just double it. 50 by 32, name it scene 1. Okay, this being here, now let's go to Stencyl forge, which is the easiest way to grab some tile sets. I like the simple tile. Come on, open up already and download it. Here we have it, and let's just fill it because we would need tiles for it to work properly. Let's just make some trees so that we know we're moving. Let's get them on another layer, like so, so that we know we're moving around and not just stuck in a place. Some random stuff here. Who cares, right? I don't. And let's make another layer here, which is going to be the lights. We call this layer the lights. Now we need two different graphics that you need to make. First is this, a black screen. Its width is 810, height is 510. A little maybe just a dot extra from what your screen resolution is on the game resolution is. Mine is 800 by 500, so it's 810 by 510. And the second you want to make is this, a white circle. It's going to be the light, and it's 256 by 256. You can make it whatever size you like. Now going to dashboard, actors. First create black window. Let's create that. Actor, add frame, choose image, black.jpg, and add. We have this. Now you could either make a behavior for this if you like. I like to do all that stuff in the events. I'll just do it in here. Add events when drawing. For some reason I find this to work better if done in when drawing as opposed to when created. We do is first we hide sprite for self. It's under actor, draw, scroll down to drawing, show sprite for self, drag it over there and change it to hide sprite for self. Then you go to drawing, styles, set blend mode to darken, excuse me, set opacity to 99%. In drawing, you bring out the draw image for self, don't put it in there yet. Flow, looping, repeat. No, actually, we don't need to do it in here. I'm sorry. Just draw image for self. Yes. Okay, so that's your black window. Let's close it. Okay, we don't need this anymore to show. We don't need that. You keep open. Let's create another actor. Let's name it light. Let's create this. Actually, one more thing you should do in this black window is you go to collision, select, you just click here, hit the delete key, remove the collision from over here. Physics, no rotation, no gravity, nothing. Also in events, what you do is you have to make this stick to the screen. So in actor, position, set X, and let's put a set Y. And in the coordinates, first you go to scene, view, X of camera, Y of camera. Okay, that being done, let's just close the black window because we won't be needing to do anything else in there. In light, let's import this frame, beautiful circle. It rolls over things. Add. And collisions, let's just remove the collision. Physics, no rotation, no gravity. Behaviors, let's no, we don't need any behavior in this. Events, when drawing, first actor, draw, and what you do is, where is that? Drawing, you hide sprite for self, Actor draw hide sprite for self. And in drawing styles, first set the blend mode to overlay. Opacity, we don't need opacity in here, I'm sorry. Draw image, let's just bring it out here. Here you need to make a loop. Repeat. This is light. Let's make it repeat 4 number of times. You could go maximum of 7, but I find 4 to be decently fine because you know your player will have its own lighting, and when two lights overlay each other, they create a weird effect if the numbers are too high. So let's just go with 4 over here and draw image for self. Okay, and you close. Saves itself. I love this. Right click, duplicate. In the copy of light, let's first go to properties. Let's rename it layer. Rename actor. And this seems to be fine. Behaviors. First, we need to add a behavior of control. Let's make an 8-way movement. I want it to go up and down and left and right. Awesome. Use controls. Yes. Normalize that. Yeah, whatever. Stop turning while moving. Yeah, sure. Use animations? No. We won't be needing any animations because we have only one animation. Okay. And also, let's change the repeat number of times to 3 in this so that we don't mess anything up. In scene, let's go to view, move camera to self, because this is the player, of course. And now let's go to the scene. First, in lights, what you do is first you res the black window. Res it wherever you like. You know, you can res it here or here. Make sure you have that it always remains active. If you want to do that, it's really simple. Oh, excuse me for a second. Okay. Sorry. You go to events, no, behavior, and there should be a rule here which makes sure it remains active forever, ever. Always simulate. Here, you just choose it. Works great. Close. Okay, so let's just res the black window like out of the scene if you don't want it to bother you, like right here, and then you can, once it's been resed, what you do is first you res the player. Let's just res that player in this corner. Go to lights, yes, make sure that's lights, and let's res one light right here. Let's just res one here, one here, here, and here. Yeah, that works fine. Let's test the game and hope it works. There we go. So this is, you know, you've got multiple lights. It works for a flash game for now. It's not that attractive. It's what Stencyl 2.2 offers so far. I couldn't find a better way. If you have a better way to do multiple lightings in 2.2, please tell me. And I think that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed and have fun. Or how do I stop this?